Hi everyone, John Showalter here, Customer Success Coach with Bright. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Education tab and where you can find our webinars, association trainings, as well as schedule live coaching. So let's go ahead and hop into webinars here. This is our library of available topics for you to be able to attend really whenever works for you. We do have some live webinars, live trainings in here that you can attend, but also a fair amount of these are also pre-recorded and you can attend really on your own time whenever it works for you. So you can see here we've got a bunch of different topics here, really that covers everything within Bright. So teams, branding, search, listing entry, etc. As we scroll down this list, we've got a ton of different topics that you can register for and attend. So if we click into one, we can see here the kind of the information about the webinar, and then the ability here to sign up and attend this whenever works for you. So yeah, these are great on-demand learning opportunities that you can take advantage of right here within the webinar tab. And then next, association trainings. These are all live trainings offered by all the associations within our footprint. So if you open up this tab here, then you can click into your association and look at the upcoming trainings that are being offered and quickly register for one of those trainings. So these are all live, hosted by our customer success team of coaches. And again, you can just hop into one of these trainings, add that registration, and attend that live training whenever it works for you through your local association. And then lastly, want to give a quick demo here of scheduling live coaching. And this is opportunities to connect with our, again, customer success team and schedule one-on-one personalized sessions for 15 minutes. Again, whatever kind of works for you. So by clicking this will open up into our booking Calendly link where you can select a day and time, and then again, put in the topic that you'd like to discuss with us, and then we're happy to then jump on that call, kind of talk over that issue that you might have, or that thing that you're trying to work on that maybe you can't figure out, and we'll kind of walk you through it, maybe do a screen share and assist you with whatever you need help with. So yeah, those are a look at our just opportunities for webinar trainings, association trainings, and then lastly, live coaching. We hope you'll take advantage of those options, and please feel free to reach out to us if you need any additional support. Thanks. Have a great one.